Are you looking for how to fix Messenger has a stopped problem? In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger has a stopped problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your Messenger is up to date or not. For checking Messenger update, go to Play Store. Now search for Messenger. Up to date your Messenger app if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Messenger. Click on Messenger. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now tap on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now open Messenger app. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger has a stopped problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.